Kiwame Tokyo Kubo is marketed as a fashion brand with Japanese-inspired branding, offering stylish clothing and accessories at attractive discounts. The website creates the impression of a premium Tokyo fashion label, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, many online fashion stores use city or country names in their branding. That alone does not prove the company is actually based there. What it does well, the clothing looks stylish. Professional product photos create a modern, premium appearance. The website appears polished. A clean e-commerce design makes browsing and shopping easy, where the concerns start appearing. A Tokyo name doesn't prove a Japanese brand. This is the biggest issue. Many online retailers use Japanese-inspired branding without actually operating in Japan. Product photos may not match the real item. Marketing images can sometimes create unrealistic expectations. Large ongoing discounts can create artificial urgency. Permanent sales may encourage impulse purchases. So, should you buy from Kiwame Tokyo Kubo? Short answer, proceed carefully. There may not be enough evidence to immediately label it fake, but you shouldn't rely solely on the branding or discounts. Check independent customer reviews and use a buyer-protected payment method before placing an order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.